This 2025 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22 MLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, stovetop burner, LP detector, Slideout, Skylight, TV, air conditioning, smoke detector, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22 MLE is 5,176 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.